guys, I'm Sean. This is the Fix My Home channel. So today I wanna show you how you can install the DeLonghi Penguin. So I just bought that in Costco. You see we have that here. So we're gonna install it to the wall. So to install for the wall, so I'm gonna put that in the middle. I know we have a stud here. So in your home, just find your stud with the stud finder. So we have a stud here because I just installed this patio door. I have a stud in here. So in the middle is empty. I can put that here. So I'm gonna put that here, make a mark around the circle and cut it. I made the hole in the wall. As you see, I just moved that a little more down. So I made the hole here and it went all the way through. You can see the outside. So I'm gonna show you how to connect the connection. Let me go now to the pipe. You just have to put this here and tie it on clockwise. The outside, I already put the connection, and now I'm gonna put this one like that. I'm gonna move everything to the back. For the other side also is the same. You just have to put this piece unclockwise to connect to the hose. And now we're gonna connect that to this. To connect that, you put the unlock on that arrow and this arrow and just turn it like that. So, and now we just turn it until the lock is gonna be in front of that arrow. So it's locked right now. So let's turn it on. So let's turn it on. 64. Oof. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's cool and also quiet. So I like that. So anyway, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will show you how to fix a problem around your home by yourself without paying anyone. Have a great day.